Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own correlation and be able to share with anyone within the Qlik Analytics user base. To access the correlation application, you click on the menu. This is where you will see all the Qlik Analytics apps over here. Click on the correlation link and this will launch the correlation app. Now over here you have a couple of options. Number one, you have your own correlation that you have created before, or you will have the correlation that's been shared with you. To create a correlation, we'll just click on new correlation button. This is where we're gonna name the correlation. So let's create a correlation between FANG stocks. So let me call this as FANG. Click OK. And then over here you will see that it's pre-populated with some symbols over here like Amazon, Facebook, and Google. So we can add any symbols over here. Couple of things before we add that, just look at the interface first. Number one, you will see that there is a drop down over here. This will give you all the correlation that you have created over here, and that's why they are coming up as my correlation under my correlation. The second thing is you have the ability to save as, rename, delete, share, and as well as create a new correlation. We're going to go through with that each over here. Over here, this is where you will define the symbols that you would like to correlate with. And then over here, we have the date range where you will select the custom date range of your choice, and this will run a correlation between these symbols. So first of all, let's add a symbol over here. So let me add Netflix. So it is autocomplete. And once you type partial company name or the ticker, it will autocomplete and add it. And the moment I hit enter, you will see that our correlation matrix is already pre-populated over there. So over here you can see that the Facebook and Amazon has a 0.8857 correlation, like an 88% correlation over here between this period. So we can change the period to, let's say, 2020, and let's start with January 1st onwards. And if you click on view, this will be changed, and now the correlation is about 89% between Amazon and Facebook. So this is how easy is it you can create your correlation and make changes at the same time. On the bottom you will see a small table at the same time which show you the symbol, name, close, date change in dollar value, percentage change, percentage, and what is the trend looks like, how many days it's been up or down over here. So this is all pretty configured for you and everything. To save the settings that you have created, i.e. you create a couple of additional symbols over here, I can always do, let's say, NIO, I can add Tesla or any of your choice. Even you can add any other instrument. For example, let's try Bitcoin, and this will pre-populate the correlation among all these variables, among all these instruments over here. To save this settings under FANG, I can just click on save, and this will say your correlation is saved. Now you can always flip over and toggle between different correlations. So let's go to oil markets, and this is the pre-calculation that we have done it before. So this shows the crude oil and the S&P over here. I can go back to my FANG stock over here, and this will be added over here at the same time. Now you can always create a save as copy over here. So I can do a save as, click on it, and you can do, let's say, FANG2, click OK. And this will be save as in your correlation list. Now you can see that this correlation is also populated over here as a list of the correlation that you have created. You can always rename the correlation over here by clicking on the rename link. And I can call it, let's say, FANG4, and this will be renamed over here. You do have the capability to share this list, correlation list, with any user within the Qlik Analytics world. So if you click on share, this will lead you to another screen and will show you that you are sharing a correlation. The correlation name is FANG G4, and then over here you can add the username. So let's say if you know the username, it's very simple. It also autocomplete. So this is the user that I want to share with, and I just select that, click on add, or just hit enter on the drop down list. It will be added over here. And this is as simple as that. To go back to our correlation list, you can click on correlation link over here, and this will be pre-populated over here. You can delete a correlation by click on delete key, and click on delete correlation, and this correlation with all this data will be deleted over here. To confirm, we only have 2 correlation over here. So this is a way whereby you can create your own correlation over here. You can save as, rename, delete, or even share your correlation within the Qlik Analytics user base.